Hello, everyone. Welcome to MedTech Digital Week. This is Gary Sainer with ReadTech, and today our session is going to cover unique device identification data management around the globe. I'll start with a quick summary of ReadTech, the company that I work for. We've been in business since 1961 with over 1,000 employees, and our focus is in helping medical device and pharmaceutical manufacturers prepare their product information, manage it, and submit it to downstream users. So we position ourselves between the manufacturer and the health authority, and also manufacturer and those customers or those trading partners that need structured data. We do have a number of certificates and associations, ISO, Health Level 7 member. We're partners with GS1 and also with One World Sync, and we are a MedTech Europe member. So to start off, let's get the introduction and some of the definitions out of the way. UDI is comprised of two components, a device identifier and a production identifier. And that particular identification identifies a product throughout its whole life, anywhere in the world. So it does have some criteria to be very unique and not to be reused for any other device in the future. UDI is an initiative that is being promoted by various regulatory bodies. They obviously want to improve safety, improve the accuracy of event reporting and so on, and ultimately improve the customer experience by being able to identify products throughout the life cycle. So if we take a little bit more detailed look at that numeric or alphanumeric code of the UDI, we find the device identifier, which is mandatory. It's always going to be part of the UDI. It does identify the labeler and a specific version or model of a device. Now I'm using an example of GS1, and there's 14 digits here that identify our company, actually ReadTech, and a particular model. Even though we don't make any medical devices, we do have this assignment. The second portion is that production identifier, and that is conditional on whether or not those particular items are on the label. So a manufacture date, expiration date, lot or batch number, serial number, or distinct ID code, infrequently used, by the way, primarily for devices that have health, human cell and tissue products. If any of those particular identifiers are on the label, then the condition is such that it needs to be included in the UDI. The European Union is slightly different. They have some conditional rules on the manufacturing date. They have a serial or a software version identifier, and they don't make use of the DIN number. But in general, these two components, the device identifier and the production identifier, when placed together, create the full UDI. And again, the production identifier may not be there at all, or it might have one or any combination of those particular features.